Hey, it's your girl Krissy, and we are here with another video. I know it's been super long. I've been here, I've been crafting. I just have not been recording. Really horrible at it, but we're back. We are making feathered placemats. Originally, that's not what I wanted to do. I bought a bunch of feathers from a wholesaler online. They came in looking like this. I wanted to make these. So I wanted to make some bridal fans, and I did, and they looked great, and we loved them. And then I was like, I need to make something else. I needed to do, that's what the back looks like. So it's just one-sided. I wanted to do a tablescape because that's what I do. I'm an event planner, and I wanted to, my table looked like it was missing something. I wanted to upgrade it. So I was like, what can I do? I have all these feathers. I ended up only making a few fans in different colors. I have some green, some black, whatever, blue. And then I'm gonna show you what I did. I made this feathered placemat. I know it doesn't look like much on its own, but when you put your charger on it or your plate on it, it looks amazing. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I think it looks gorgeous. So we are doing some mock setups for Valentine's Day, you know, just to generate some business. And I was like, oh, I could make some pink ones for Valentine's Day. Let me make some for you. So again, that's the thing. We got our feathers. That's one thing you'll need. You're going to need some plates. So these plates you can get from like Dollar Tree, Dollarama, wherever. It's just thick plastic plates. There's 2 of them here. You're gonna need a glue gun, glue stick, a pair of scissors, and some E6000. Obviously I use this a lot as I'm running low, but it's enough. It should be enough for this. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to open your package of feathers, and you are going to fold it in half. And the reason that we're folding it in half is because we're going to trim this just a bit. It's not very flexible. If you want to put it in a circle, you can see that it bulks up, and I don't want the plate to be bulky. So what we're going to do is, once you've got it in half, you can start here, and you're just going to cut a little notch. So not all the way in, about halfway or a little bit more than halfway. And let me just move my water. And we're just going to cut like this. About, you can do all of it. We're just going to continue to cut until we're all the way through. And what that will allow us to do is to make it circular, make it round, without actually bulking it up and having that big bulge. You should be able to cut through the feathers. You can go around it as well. The feathers are not on top of each other. They are, they're spaced out, maybe 1 or 2 centimeters, not very far. But yeah, that's how it is. It's gonna be so easy. You'll see we'll have them both done in absolutely no time. You can plug in your glue gun while you're doing this so that it can warm up. And you can see we are almost done. We are almost all the way through. These I got from, you can get them from a fabric store. You can get them from, I want to say Michael's, but I don't think Michael's has these kind of feathers. They have the loose feathers and not pre-stitched. So if you do buy them from Michael's, you'd have to buy ribbon, you'd have to buy the feathers, and you will have to buy the ribbon. Did I say that? Ribbon and feathers. And if you have a sewing machine, you can sew them together, or you can get somebody to sew for you, or you can just buy these. I would prefer to buy these because I'm not that I'm lazy, but it's very time consuming, especially if you don't know how to use a sewing machine. You're not going to know how to do it. You might waste a lot of products. We are not here for the waste, so we prefer to get it ready done. And just like that, was that 2 minutes? We've cut a hole thing. I think this is about, what did they say it is, like 5 meters? What is that? Not 5 meters, 5 feet. Huh. This is about 5 feet, and this is it. So what we're gonna do is I have two plates here, and we're just gonna turn the plate upside down. So put it completely flat, and what you're gonna do is you're just going to take your E6000, and you're just gonna run it around the rim of the plate. You can do a straight rim, or you can just do some dots. I'm going to, what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna do some dots because again, we're running low on this one. We want to make sure that we can use it all. So yes, we are just going to some little dots around here and there. And that's why we're also using the glue gun, so that it'll be quick drying. It'll go a lot faster. I should move my back so that you can see. My son laughing. Almost done. All right, so there we go. We've got our E6000 pasted around. Then we're going to take our glue gun, and we're just going to start with a little bit. We're going to maybe about 1/4 of the way, and that's just so that we can start. And so you'll take your very first piece, and you're going to do it towards you because we don't want it to be completely aligned. So back up so you can see this a little bit better. And you're just going to put the ribbon right around the edge, and you're going to bend. And it's perfect. The ends that we sliced up a bit, they're overlapping each other instead of bunching together. So we don't want to glue that there. And we're just going to continue around. So we will add some more glue. And really the glue gun is just there to hold it together right now. The glue stick is there so it holds together right now. But the E6000 does take a long time to dry, and it's a much more permanent hold. So again, in the glue, and my glasses, you don't need those. We're gonna keep going around and around, right around the edge of the plate. And this is, again, a 10-inch plate. And like I said, very, very easy to do. And there you go, just like that, one plate is done. This is what it looks like on the back. You'll see that it is smooth. And on the front, right, smooth again. You do see that we do have one feather that is, you know, a little bit out of place. We can just break that off. So just break that right off. You can cut it off, doesn't matter. But this is what it's gonna look like when it is complete. And again, on its own, it doesn't really look like anything, but once you put that plate charger on top, look at that difference, right? Huge, huge difference. You can do, what was that, silver? We've got, look at that. And we'll set it on a table later so that you can see, but this is what the charger looks like. I like it. I think it's cute. And we can try it with a clear one. I mean, if you're going to use a clear one, you might want to cover the silver up with something. So maybe just a white brim so that it's solid white, or maybe you can paint it pink or get it painted, completely up to you. I'm really just trying out all the chargers to see what it would look like at this point. And this is one with a solid gold. I think I like this one too. I think this one and the rose gold would be my two favorite. So we have one put down, and we can start on the second plate. And again, it's the same thing, very easy. You're going to still have some glue in there, and we still have quite a bit of feather left as well. So again, same thing. We're just gonna go around the edge is with the E6000, and that's gonna give it a super duper hold. Am I even talking? Super duper hold. Nothing is coming out. Ah! There we go. There we go. Then, oh, that's done. And again, we're going to just place like that. Can't see it, it's clear. And I need actually some more glue, so we're gonna put that in. And take your feathers. One thing to make sure too is that your feathers are facing downward when you're doing it on the table, so that when you do turn the plate right side up, the feathers are pointing up and not laying flat on the table. We want it to give our table the most volume. And that's what we have left. And there you have it. We have two. Boom, 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 feathered. Placemats. And if you really, really want to, you can take another plate and just put it on the back so that you don't see that silver or the pink. I don't know how to talk. You can put another plate on the back if you don't want to see the ribbon at all. It is the underside. Nobody is going to see it, especially if you're just, you know, putting it on the table to spice up your Valentine's Day dinner, brunch, or, you know, girls brunch. Forget Valentine's Day with your spouse. Invite your friends over and have a good time. Just you two, 4, 10 of you. Be safe though. We are still very much in a pandemic. Stay safe. Have a good one. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Like, comment, let me know if you want a tutorial on how to make these, because I mean, this was fun and quite simple to make as well. Yeah, let me know what else you want to see. Talk to me, follow me on Instagram, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get updates when I upload more videos. I promise I will upload more videos. Stay safe and enjoy. Bye.